To understand, we have to know about the electoral bond vis-a-vis Reserve Bank of India and State Bank of India. आता आमी आसा हांगा उबे in front of State Bank of India चिकाली ब्रांच. Very important for me कित्याक म्हजें पेन्शन ह्या बँकान येता. आता स्टेट बँक एक जाणो जावपाक जाय लोकांनी. Largest number of account holders are with State Bank of India. Largest number of branches are with State Bank of India. Largest number of countries in which a bank works is State Bank of India. That means one of the largest banks in the world. आमकां एक प्राउड फिलींग जावपाक जाय. आता इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड समजच्या पयलीं वी हॅव टू नो दॅट in recent times Paytm, खूबशे लोक यूज करता Paytm. There was some discrepancy in their transaction. There was no transparency, and Reserve Bank of India cracked down and stopped it. Second was JM financing. Those who come with IPO and the stock market and there was no proper transparency. Reserve Bank of India stopped the operations. तशेंच one more is IIFL, जे गोल्ड लोन दिता पळय ती कंपनी. There was again lack of transparency. Reserve Bank of India cracked down and stopped the transaction. Now we will come to electoral bond. Few months back, a very learned advocate in India, Advocate Prashant Bhushan, senior advocate in Supreme Court, he filed a PIL, public interest litigation, की थोड्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टयांक इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड येता. इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड म्हणजे एक सादेपणान समजपाक, लेट अस से इट इज लायक म्हणल्यार एक चॅक कशी सादेपणान समजपाक. ही चॅक कोण दिता टू स्टेट बँक आनी ती चॅक कोणाक वेता, खंयच्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीक वेता. इट इज समथींग लायक दॅट. नाव वेन दीस पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट लिटिगेशन वॉज फायल्ड, आमकां एक समजपाक जाशिल्लें हे कोण पयशे दिता. स्टेट बँकाचो बॉन्ड घेतात आनी खंयच्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीक दितात. सम डेज बॅक आमी पळयलां चिकलेन एअरपोर्टार somebody was saying, you know, that Dawood Ibrahim is connected with some gold smuggling, which I had taken up the issue against one minister. So if people like Dawood Ibrahim, or there are many such mafia people are there, they are black money. They are with that black money they are buying this electoral bond from State Bank of India and they मागीर एका political party एक वेता. So लोकांक जे वोट मारता, citizens of India, taxpayers should know who is this person or who is this company or who is this mafia who has bought this bond from State Bank and who has given it to which political party. Because if a political party, say like Bhrashta Janata Party, we say Bhrashta Janata Party, BJP, they are in power, they will catch some mafia people and they will say काला धन दे दो, बॉन्ड खरीद के हमको दे दो. That means there is no transparency. Now in this case, since there is no transparency, when the PIL was filed in Supreme Court gave a very historical verdict. ताणी सांगले स्टेट बँकाक तुम्ही तुरंत बाय 6th of March सगळे कोणे इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड घेतला आनी खंयच्या पार्टीक दिला तांचे डिटेल्स आमच्या फुडल्यान हाडपाक जाय. तो स्टेट बँक काल ताणी सुप्रीम कोर्टान एफिडेविट फायल केला से गिव अस 4 months टू गिव यू द डिटेल्स. अरे मोदी सरकार सांगता वी आर गॉन डिजिटल, म्हणजे एट अ क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन 2 सेकंडांनी सगळे डिटेल्स मेळपाक जाय. तर तुका 4 महिने कित्याक जाय? बिकॉज इलेक्शन्स आर कमिंग, लोकसभा, आनी तुमी सांपडटले. Why is the Reserve Bank of India not cracking down on State Bank of India? You have cracked down on Paytm, you have cracked down on IIFL, you have cracked down on JM Finance. The biggest, the largest bank in which we the people, आमचे पेन्शनाचे आसा, सेविंग्स आसा, करंट अकाउंट आसा, FDs आसा. Reserve Bank of India should धरपाक जाय, चिमटो काडपाक जाय State Bank of India. What is happening? Immediately submit all the details. So there is lack of transparency. Khoi na khoi State Bank under pressure of Bhrashta Janata Party is trying to hide submitting the data to Supreme Court. the